Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about skimping on a single checklist item. In this case, dropping the exhaust. So let's say you say, hey, let's just take the bead clamps loose and take the exhaust down and we can leave everything attached to the cylinders. Well, here's an example of doing that. Look at that no-blow gasket. It's in pretty corroded shape. It wasn't leaking yet, but it was starting to wear on the cylinder, and you can see the erosion right here on this cylinder or where it was starting to work through. So yeah, you saved a little time and money not doing this item correctly, but what's it going to cost you? Well, in this case, these two cylinders, this one and the one coming up, both have to be rejected just because of the facing on the exhaust port and other issues. So you really didn't save all that much. So that's why you don't want to skimp on a checklist item, not any of them, and that's why annuals take so long. So we hope you found this lesson informative and useful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's Linda Mojonnier and Jan Blackman standing beside Ken's old airplane, November 5792 Lima.